Hey there everyone, Hitesh here and welcome to another Saturday Live. In case you are not aware of this, we go live every single Saturday from 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time till around 9:30ish. So I hope I am live and yes, people are here. Hey Eshu, Kinetic Kali, Atikur, Raj Chaudhary, Ayush, Universal Gamer. That's a nice name. Hi Mohin, how are you? How's it going on? Hi Rishikesh More, how is it going on for you? Hi people, I hope you are able to hear me properly and you are able to see me as well. So let's wait for a few seconds. In the meantime, people will come up. I'm almost at perfect time, almost. And you can hit that like button so that I can know that you are here. And yeah, some people are here, not much, as I can see the likes are just going up. So hey Satyam, hey Gaurav Nagar, hey Cool Entertainment, hello. Hey Rahul ji, hey Sanjay, how are you guys? How is it going on? Your podcast is amazing. Thank you so much. I just tried it out. I'm writing another one, so I hope you will be able to get another podcast very soon. It's something amazing. Wall is superb. Thank you so much. This looks so good. Nah? I like this too. It looks so good in live. Hello, sir. 300K coming soon. Is it so? I haven't checked out my subscribers in a meanwhile that how much we are on right now. So how's it going on? Hey, Deepa. How's it going on? Hey, Ayushi. Hey, Varshit. How's it going on, guys? You're not hitting that like button. I cannot see the likes going up there. So let's just at least cross 150 there. So we can easily do so. So if you haven't hit that like button, go for that. Thank you for podcast. This was just a start. It was inspired by a couple of people. That's why it's a little bit like that. But of course, the future podcasts are going to be pretty much amazing. It's going to be touching up a variety of subjects, especially for programming, engineering community, Indian community. It's going to be much more amazing. So thank you so much for showing so much love to the podcast. I didn't expected that. That's why I just tried it out, and it went so well. I like the response there. So surely we'll be doing more podcasts. Okay, and okay, so let's. If that like button was unlimited, I would have been clicking forever. Love you. Thank you so much, Manish. Thank you so much. This is your love that keeps me going. That's why I'm super active on YouTube. I'm preparing a lot of things for you guys as well. It's going to be pretty much amazing. And I think your love is something that I cannot compare it with anything. This is YouTube's and I don't think so. There is any other channel, any other community, unlike YouTube. It's so much connected. I know most of your name and it's so good. Degraded the mic? Yeah, of course, because this mic is actually pretty good and it just doesn't do any echo or something. So it's working fine. I'm happy with it. How is offline bootcamp going on? Pretty good. Uh, on the least side, right now, the people who are into the offline bootcamp, the minimum number of app that person have got is 12. And some of them are having like 24 apps, some of them are having like 28 apps. uh, all of them are all the time just going on. The day one they were struggling with installing the Java, and it's almost like 30 days, and they are now making apps. They're worried about, hey, my app is not getting pushed on GitHub, my app is having errors. So this is pretty good. This is so much good progress. Will you continue the Flutter series? Yes, of course. Flutter series will be continued from Monday to Friday, because Saturday is actually live. So we'll be doing live on Saturday. And Sunday is actually dedicated for friends. At least I deserve that much. So Sundays is usually dedicated only for friends and family. So I don't work much on Sundays on YouTube. I do work on my personal website and other projects. So uh, yeah, definitely. We will be continuing with the Flutter. We will be taking it in quite in depth, and it will be going on from Monday to Friday. Can we expect a series on Dart language? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. That's where we are moving ahead in forward direction. Dart is an important thing, and we will be covering that quite in detail, and essentially that much detail so that we can have a knowledge and we don't get stuck at the Flutter. So definitely the next step is going to come up. Dart and Flutter are essential parts, so I cannot skip them. Definitely next step is going to be Dart. Okay, so what's the song at the unqualified for tech video? I don't remember exactly what was the song name, but I pay a lot of time in picking up the right song. Okay, so can we expect series on Angular? I don't know. maybe not. It's the future. What about XD series? Yes, that's iced tea. So what about XD series? Yes, I will be going on with the XD series as well. Actually, what I was doing, I was using the XD in my some of my personal project. You'll be seeing all of that. Don't worry. So I was using that, try to use that in my actual one project. That's why I am taking a little bit pause from the XD series. It's helping me quite a lot. And in fact, all the things that you see, like the thumbnails and everything, are being designed in Adobe XD. So we are going pretty good there. Okay, upcoming courses. I don't like to share what's going on and what's coming up in the LCO, because once it's out, then it's actually good to just show you that, hey, this one is out. So yes, definitely we are preparing more courses, and even more than some courses. It's going to come up very soon. And yes, I would like to accept that as well. I was just waiting. Somebody just asked it there. So somebody just did ask that. Yes, an email was there in your inbox only for selected people who are enrolled in our machine learning course. I needed some help in machine learning, and I offered an internship, a paid internship, to all the people who are enrolled in machine learning course. And we already got a person. We have selected that, so it was done very quickly within a day. Yes, that was only offered to our student in machine learning because that's the thing we require. That was the requirement. That's why it was only. I only reached out to the people there. Definitely in the future, I would be reaching out more students of Learn Code Online, because we need your help. And whenever there is going to be a need, there will be a paid internship or unpaid internship to there. So yeah, it's going to be. Is Flutter better than React Native? That's debatable. And that's, of course, depends on the business need. And of course, as of now, the business need is moreover served by React Native, because React is already there, and Redux and all these things. So definitely, right now, business needs is served by React much more. But again, it depends on business case. Technologies do come and go, so I don't mind in switching any of that. Okay, so Mayank Sahu says favorite singer. I don't listen much of these songs apart from picking up any song for YouTube or video. I don't listen to much of the song. I like the old time classics much more. Yeah, both in Hindi and English. Old time classics have something. Can you do portfolio review on someday live? No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that because it can hurt somebody, and I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. So I don't want to do that because it's kind of a thing. I don't want to. Best backend to begin with. It's no such thing as best or worst. It's about where is your interest. If you are interested in machine learning, Python, all stuff, and you want to pick up something for backend, Django would be really good for you. But if you're already into JS, JavaScript, or something, then Node.js might be really good for you. And of course, if you don't know what to do, you can pick up anything. PHP and MySQL are like all-time classics. Do you watch movies regularly? No, no, I don't get much time now to watch movies. Things are so much busy, so much packed. But I don't miss that. I don't miss watching movies. Sometimes I go out with friends for watching movies, but I don't miss that much. I just like to work things. This is something that is super amazing for me. Okay, so hey, there is a sponsorship from Paul. Thank you so much, Sindhunil Paul. Thank you so much for Super Chat. Yeah, I remember the name. They call it Super Chat, not sponsorship. Thank you so much. Uh, okay, sir, what is Hackintosh? Hackintosh is something which Apple don't like, first and foremost, and you will not be able to publish your apps, at least like in legal ways. It's something that Apple operating system is something which can only run onto Apple machine, but there are some hacks and twists through which you can run it on a Hackintosh, like your Intel and all these things. But it's very specific. I would call it as art. It's not something that everybody can do. So yeah, Hackintosh is something really. I'm not in favor of Hackintosh, honestly. What do you prefer, Flutter or React Native? Uh, it depends. For teaching purposes, I'm preferring Flutter right now, and for usage of the client and personal, I'm still on React Native. We are growing along with your tutorials. Thanks for that. Thank you so much, Chandrasekhar. I am really happy that, yes, definitely channel is growing quite a lot. It's growing in terms of audience, and yes, now people are sharing my videos quite a lot. In fact, they are showing so much love that they prefer to share my videos, even if nobody's watching that on their profile or something. They still like to share it, and that is something uh, which is something awesome. It's something amazing. Please recommend a good college for CS and IT college except IIT, NIT, and IIT. No, I'm not going to suggest you any college at all. Not even IITs and ITs, because it's something that I would say, and you're going to say, "Hey, that college is bad. You said it. It's recommended." And you, no, I'm not going to suggest you any college. I won't be doing that. Okay, so okay, our accounts manager is also joining up in the live. Kapil, if you wish, I can give you his contact number as well. If you wish to call him, sure, we can give. I can give you number of our accounts of our member of accounts team, Kapil. Okay. Uh, will every hosting service host Node.js? No, no, it's not that. Recently, a lot of them are supporting Node.js, but not all the hosting do support Node.js. Only few of them, and it's definitely not GoDaddy, Big Rock, or something HostGator or something like that. You do have to buy a separate plan for that. Okay, so let's pick up more question. Uh, some funny comments, really, really funny. Sir, how are you? Hi, Rohan Prasad. I'm absolutely good. How are you? uh, Python scraping internship, like you want an internship on a specific topic that you like. No, it doesn't work like that. It works like you need an internship, we want some work to be done, and that's why we hire you and we tell you what to do, not you tell us what you really want to do. That's not how internship works. Introduction to Algo by Corman for beginners. Yes, Sachin, that's a really good book. I've read it twice, as I mentioned in one of the video. So yeah, it's pretty good book. Hey Gamma, Ray, shout out to you. You asked for it. You got it. How to make company? Go ahead. There is an Indian rules and laws. Just register your company. It costs around like 60, 70,000 or something. You can definitely register your company, but prepare your goals, like what the company should be doing. Okay, so I'm new to programming. I'm stuck at logic building. What should I do? It's something that everybody's stuck at beginning. So don't worry too much. Just keep on building projects. Eventually, it will get clear. Okay, so please do more videos on NS3 2.5. No, I don't really want to do that. I won't be doing that anytime soon. I get so much of the invites and so much of the people. Like invites are good. I like them. Even if that's on NS3, I like that. But most of the people do approach me and say, "Hey, we are gonna pay you X amount of money. Would you like to do our thesis? I'm stuck on this project. Can you do this project for me? This is my doctorate and this is my master's degree." People just all the time are looking for exactly code. They don't want to do the research, and they just want to pay me the money to do their research. Honestly, I did that also for a couple of guys, but then I realized it's not something that I want to do. Like I really don't want to do with that thing for NS3. People don't have a goal of learning the NS3 most of the time. They just have a goal to just clear out their degree, and that's it. And that's not I'm very passionate about. Okay. So tell us something about MATLAB. Yes, I've worked in MATLAB as well. Forcefully, I didn't like it, but I was forced to work on MATLAB during my masters. I didn't like it much. It's not something good. I didn't like it, but yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so uh, can you come to Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology? Sure, Rohan. Sure, I would love to visit there. In fact, that's a very good place. I would love to be there. Feel free to drop me an invite. We are definitely getting more invites. I'm super happy with that. I'm visiting a lot of universities. Uh, some are saying that, hey, please don't announce that on YouTube. We just want you to be personally for our audience. So I will be going on some of the tour of that. Some are like public, and definitely a lot of people are inviting me for their tech fest as well. And I'm partnering in some of the upcoming tech fest as like online promotion partner kind of a thing. I would be definitely taking part in those, and you can just visit at their tech fest, and I'll be announcing them. So you can visit there, and we definitely can have it. Okay. So you can come in Sandeep Foundation. I'm not aware of that, what that is. I'm so sorry, but I'm not aware of that. Okay, so Python bootcamp. Yes, we are planning some of the boot camps. In fact, After this Android bootcamp, we are about to sit with our team so that we can prepare bootcamps for January. We will be hosting a couple of bootcamps in January. I'm preparing my team and intern and all of that so that they can provide you best possible content. And definitely, Android is one of them. Python is one of them. Python with DSA is going to be one of them, data structure, and one of them is going to be machine learning. One of them is going to be pen testing, another one for Android. So we are planning quite a lot. Let's see how much of them we are going to be able to do and how much success we are going to get. So yes, we will be going for that. Let's see how it goes. Why you registered your company out of India? It was easier for me. I'm already having like one or two companies in India, so I'm already having. So it's good to have your company abroad as well, save some taxes and stuff. But still, we pay heavy taxes, like 18% on every single purchase that you make is going into the taxes. And if you buy it from Android or iOS app, 30% directly goes to Google or Apple. So it's like you have to do. Okay. Hello, sir. How are you? You're the best programmer on YouTube and, of course, in India as well. No, I'm not. I'm not. I don't want to get onto that wrong feeling, but I'm not. I'm just trying my best to learn. And alongside that, I'm teaching. Yes, definitely. I've learned a lot and I'm looking forward to learn more in the future as well. And alongside what I'm learning, I'm trying to distribute as well. And that's all I'm trying to do. Looking into a lot of books, looking into a lot of documentation, trying to build something and then showing you that how this is being built up. Okay, so let's pick up. Okay, you guys are not hitting that like button. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on. At least you can hit like button. It's free. Do you know that? Nope, nope. I'm not seeing still too much likes. Like it's just okay. You're not hitting that. I'm seeing you. Yes, you. Okay, so Parker says, "What are you drinking?" I'm a big fan of iced tea. And I usually all the time drinking iced tea, whether that's cold winters or hot summer. It's just iced tea all the time. I'm wearing only gray T-shirt from 8th February. Okay, that's nice. That is super nice that you are also and you have donated as well. So that's good. But I think donation is something that should be kept private. We should not talk much about it. I've seen some of the controversies on the YouTube regarding these donation as well. Some people are like, okay, so do you like Rohit Sharma? Who is Rohit Sharma? Cricketer? Java versus Python from job perspective. Okay. Best Python books. You don't need books for Pythons. Sindhunil Paul. You can just prefer online courses that are way better actually. You can just code along with that. So it's better. And it's not about Java versus Python. Definitely depends on your goal. That if your goal is something like machine learning, Django, or building some models of machine learning AI, that definitely go for Python. If your goal for is enterprise edition, some kind of softwares, Java, JSP, then go for it. I would recommend Python instead. Honestly talking. Okay. Is Django popular? Yes, of course. It's heavily popular in almost every startup and company. Okay, so how can I start my career as a fresher to become a data scientist? You can just start with Python. That would be a pretty good choice. And make sure you have basics about it, like at least you know some queries in MySQL because that is used a lot as well in the data science. And then go for Python, learn few libraries like NumPy, Panda, Seaborn, all these libraries, get your hands dirty with that, and that's it. That's pretty much it. It's not really tough. It all looks tough when you see it from outside, but when you go inside and see all of that, it becomes pretty easy. It's not that much tough. Okay, so let's pick up more questions. Okay, how to prevent app from lucky patcher app for modify in-app purchase? uh, I'm not much aware about it. Shortly I'll look into that, like what that is. Can't we don't make, okay, what was that? Is Adobe XD challenge over? No, it's not. It's not. I'm just working on some of the personal projects and I'm using XD a lot in there. It's like I'm not getting much of the time in making these series. Definitely, I'll continue the Adobe XD. Definitely, there will be 30 videos in that. But I just don't want to make videos for the sake of making videos. I want some awesome content in those videos, and uh, just like uh, I don't have anything good design or anything to share. I won't be making a video for that. I would instead not post anything, and I would only like to post something that's meaningful. Machine learning with JavaScript, of course. TensorFlow JS, heard about it? It's pretty easy, pretty awesome. So go ahead, explore that. Is apps our future? Yes, of course. I see as future as like apps being integrated so well with the web application that it's going to be good. Siddharth Malik says, "Sir, please make a video on Google Summer of Code." Actually, I'm being approached by a variety of people who are Google Summer of Code mentors and participants. It's pretty easy, and we are talking with one of them to make sure kind of a few video series for you, like 2, 3, 5, or 10 videos, or whatever that can be, to help you in preparing for GSOC and everything. We are in the middle of talk. I'm actually super busy right now. I really want to talk to him and move further these things. So yeah, definitely we'll be doing that very soon. Okay, so I want to make a IT. Okay, it's going really fast. It's going really fast, and you guys are not hitting that like button, and some of you are not even hitting that subscribe button. How is this channel going to grow if you're not going to hit that subscribe button? How does it going to motivate me to make more videos? Is Flutter course free? Are you able to see that on YouTube? If yes, then it's yes. If no, then it's no. Uh, I understood the importance of checking mail daily today. Uh, yeah, Jayaprakash. Um Actually, mails are the way how anybody reaches you out, and you should check your mail daily. And the reason why he's saying so, because he missed an opportunity of machine learning. And actually, I called all those people who have submitted the form on the day one. I called all of them, took interviews, like almost 10 of them, and we have selected like one of them out of that who will be working on our upcoming project that all you guys will be seeing up very soon and all these things. So yeah, I would recommend that yeah, please check out your email daily. Maybe there's an opportunity waiting there. Okay, why is that? My phone is ringing. Okay, so scope of data science in freelancing. Hi, Shubham Goyal. I haven't seen much of the project on freelancing because usually the data science projects are based on data, and nobody wants to send a data to a person unknown just like that without even hiring. So definitely freelancing opportunities are less, but may change up in the future. Okay, Harsat Mark Zuckerberg. First and foremost, why don't you use your own name? What's wrong with that? I'm 16-year-old learning ML and DL, done some projects in ML. Can I get an internship at this age, but I have the right skills at companies you suggest? It all depends on two things. First, your skills, and second, your attitude. Um, I have seen this only just with one person. He was young, and he was so arrogant about that I'm so young, I'm so young. Companies don't like that. If you're young, that's okay, but act as a mature one, act as a responsible one. So please, first and foremost, don't act that, and don't use that again and again, that I'm 16, I'm 16, I'm 16. It's not good. Second is, if you have skill, you know all these things, but I really doubt that you are 16 and you have heard about all these matrix operations and maths and complications like that. But if you have, that's all good. I appreciate that. Thumbs up for that. So definitely you can get all these jobs, but make sure you don't do that, because I've seen that in one of the recruitment. There was one guy who was very young, and he was all the time just bragging about age, age, and age. In the code world, you don't brag about age. You brag about your codes and what you have built up, what you have created. So I think that's a good advice. You should take care of that. Okay. Uh, so let's pick up more questions. Scope of MTech. Scope. I don't take questions regarding scope, because there is scope of everything and there's scope of nothing. So it's just similar. It depends on your skill, not the scope. Okay. There is even scope in Pascal. There is even scope in COBOL. So scope is everywhere. Okay, so sir, how many hours you study? A lot. I like to study. I like to record videos, so a lot. In fact, whole week just goes like that. I don't even recognize that when it's going. Yeah. Do Nepalese student can buy your online course? Yes, we do support all the international students through our mobile apps. So definitely you can download our mobile apps, and just like you buy coins in other any other app or anything, you can surely buy that. It's all good. So suggest some books to crack the aptitude test. Oh, I missed that aptitude one. I have studied one book. I have to look at like which one I did bought, and surely we'll be doing that. Okay, Anchit Sharma, if you recognize me, shout out to me. Hey, Anchit, are you the same Anchit from the LinkedIn one which we talked? I'm not sure because there are too many, like two or three Anchits happen to be talking to me. If you are one that we talked on the LinkedIn, so shout out to you. If you are the other one on the Facebook, sorry about that. Do you get tired? Yes, of course. But when I get tired, I just get sleep and get up and start working again. Okay, so okay. Does dash website is good? No, I don't talk about any other website unless and until they have like I have used it personally or there's some kind of mutual understanding of that or something. I don't want to talk about them, so yeah, let's just leave it there. Sir, can you tell me how Angular 6 now in IT industry? Angular is good. Angular is good and it's going pretty good, but a lot of them are now switching on to React. Angular is also good. How many hours do you sleep? Uh, it's hard to say. Sometimes it's like 8 9 hours. Sometimes it's like just 3 4 hours. Whenever I just feels like yeah, I'm done. I just get up. I don't just lay around in the bed just for the sake because it's not up. The reason why I moved into this studio is because whenever I get up, I can just get back to work, and that has increased my productivity. So that's why. Okay, so there is a super chat by Kushwa. It says 1 year experience, want CNG job from PH want to change. Okay, that was change. Want change job from PHP node G or B. How? Okay, that is not at all clear. Like what kind of shortcuts you're using to uh, chat with me? I don't know. So yeah, if you want to change your job from PHP to Node, just get better in JavaScript, and we do have a free. Okay, I love you do Coders Don't Quit again video. I love it. I might be doing that in the podcast. That's a good advice. I will be surely looking forward for doing that again, but in the podcast. Why Python is popular in ML despite being slow? Yes, I do agree. Python sometimes can be a little bit slow, but the syntax is easy. Library is so many libraries. I think that's the only reason. Yes, of course. What I have seen in my experience, like C++ is ridiculously fast language, but it's still so much verbose that it's not being much used, and it's not that much popular in the industry. That's why Python is being used a lot. In fact, if you'll notice, JavaScript is even much slower than that, but still gaining popularity there. So it's like that. But it's of course the fastest languages are not so much easy to code. Simply like C++, it's not that much easy. And when you move into things like standard template libraries and stuff, it becomes a nightmare. That's why I think Python is getting popular. Visit Kolkata again. Yeah, I would love to. I would love to visit Kolkata again. Amazing clicks. Whenever you visit Kolkata, just carry your camera, just point and shoot anywhere, and it's gonna be awesome click. It's a beautiful and colorful city. Okay, so Flexbox. I already do have a series on Flexbox. You can check that out. Okay, so 30 days of XD. Yes, it will be going on 30 days of XD. Okay, so I think we are already on 9:30, and you guys are not hitting that like button. Come on, guys. Do me a favor, hit that like button. Okay, so now it's going a little bit up. Let's take a few more questions. Okay, so how to manage college and freelancing clients? It's a little bit tough, but surely is manageable. If you get up a little bit early and squeeze a little bit time in the early morning, then squeeze a little bit time during your lunch break or something, and then squeeze a little bit time in the evening time, it's surely doable. Jaipur workshop. I think, yes, one is coming up in September end, Jaipur workshop. I probably will update that on our website as well. Okay. Can I be your intern? I have done CCNA Android. We're not looking for CCNA as of now, but so definitely, if time permits, make a video on Google Collab. Google Collab is pretty good, actually. We sometimes use that for our in between our office environments and works. We use that sometimes. It's pretty good and fun. So I want to join in your team. Test your brain. First and foremost, use your real name. That builds more trust. So in case you want to join us, it would be good if you know us with the right name and not just something like this. So yeah, definitely you can feel free to you can join us. We do provide regular opportunities to join us in the team, to be a part of our amazing team. In fact, we would be really happy to have you in our team, all of you, as much as we can afford and we can provide opportunities. We are trying our best to do so. Right now, this is only for data science and machine learning. I'm about to call that person who is finalized for the job, and definitely after that we will be posting more opportunities. So don't forget to check your emails. We reach out only through email. That's the only way to reach you out. So check out that, and probably there is an opportunity of internship waiting for you. Maybe. So you never know. Okay, so I think it's almost time. 9:30 is there. I have to get back. I have to record more videos, and have to do some programming as well, some stuff, personal internal company stuff. And that's it for this Saturday Live. Another awesome Saturday Live with tons of your questions directly being answered. And if you want more such live, please hit that like button and share these videos as well. And especially the Flutter series. I want all of you, if you want me to continue such free series on YouTube, we want to grow more. We want more audience to be there. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and share the Flutter series if you want it to be a bigger, full-fledged series, which is usually not a case on YouTube. We will be doing that. So go ahead, share that series as well. So that's it for this video, and let's catch up in the next one.